Hi there, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Northeast, and we have kind of a little weak system moving out here. A couple sprinkles and flurries this morning, but our bigger story for Sunday night and Monday here is off to our west, and that's going to be what we're dealing with here later today, especially tonight and very early on Thursday. But most of Monday actually ends up okay. So let's kind of go through this because you'll notice here by this evening we do have some showers, but let me back up. Most of today, like I said, is fine. It's really not until this evening. Here's 7 p.m. Here's 9. Here's 11, where showers of rain and snow are going to break out. Now, the other thing we have are our temperatures. They're pretty cold inland. This is at 2,500 feet. We talk about this all the time. This system is trending colder than it did on Friday. So for our friends in the higher elevations, that's going to mean less rain, less melting. But it's still not a snow event for anybody, really. You notice this shower activity through the day today, through the night tonight, and this is 7 a.m. on Monday. Early in the day, we got some showers to deal with. Here's noon. But by the afternoon, things are starting to improve, and you look at the amounts during the day on Monday here, and it's anywhere from a trace to a tenth of an inch inland, and then about a tenth to a quarter of an inch for the rest of us. So Monday is fairly wet east, but the further west you go, the less precipitation we're going to see. And the good news here is, like I said, there's actually a little bit of winter in this with, again, some of the summits coating to an inch or two of snow possible. Minimal melting because the temperatures just aren't going to move that much. Monday night, things are going to kind of move out. A couple snow showers possible in the mountains, but otherwise really not much happening here right into Tuesday. And that's going to set us up for what looks to be a pretty nice pre-Thanksgiving period. A little cold, but dry. Tuesday, Wednesday. Remember last week we were all worried about that big monster storm. Again, this is why we try to hedge our bets here, because a lot of these models have no idea what the heck they're doing, right? So what once was a very stormy period is now a dry period Wednesday, Thursday. Really not seeing much of anything. Our next chance for precipitation is likely going to come Friday night, and that's a cold front moving in. Thanksgiving actually might be pretty warm, and the result on Friday could be some rain or snow showers. Snow showers relegated to the mountains and the higher elevations, but again, it could get pretty cold here for next weekend. But again, that's about a week away. The GFS is similar. You get the rain here on Friday, and then changing over to snow in the higher elevations for Friday night. And it's just a cold weekend next weekend, so that should be certainly some good news for those who want wintertime conditions. Now, temperatures today are warming up, like we said, 40s, 50s, and 60s for us. But tomorrow, after this storm passes, look what happens for Tuesday. 20s and 30s inland, 40s along the coast. Wednesday is also chilly, but a little bit warmer. And then, like I said, Thursday itself is actually kind of mild, 40 and 50. But then we get into Friday, that cold front's going to slam in here. Next weekend looks quite cold. 20s and 30s inland, 40s along the coast, and we're going to keep that going through the end of the month. And I want to talk about that for a second with you. Everybody's been asking me, how's the longer term looking? Well, next 15 days are pretty good. There's probably going to be a relaxation in the cold in early December. So let's talk about that real quick. Next 5 days here through Thanksgiving week, near to slightly below normal. The 5 to 10 day, which is basically the last 5 days of December, pretty darn cold. So that's something to note. But look at the 10 to 15, the first 5 days of December. See where that cold just vanishes? It's cold in the 5 to 10, 10 to 15, all of a sudden we're back to normal. And if you look at day 15, there's actually some risk that we actually go above normal for a time. So all of this is to say we're going to get a nice cold shot in here for the last 10 days or so of December or November. But as we head into early December, we're seeing a relaxation in that warm or in that cold, and we're likely going to trend in the warmer direction for the first week or so of December. That might even linger into week 2 of the month. So that's what we're seeing right now. Again, just for clarification and just one more time for you. Rain tonight, a little bit of snow at the summits. Rain tomorrow morning, dwindling throughout the day, and then a dry, cold Tuesday with a few snow showers just inland. Wednesday's dry, Thursday's dry, and then we watch Friday for our next chance of rain along the coast. Rain possibly ending as snow inland. So that's what we got for you. Have a great week. Just a note, we put it in our email as well. No videos Thursday, Friday. Again, if there's a storm here Friday, we'll reassess. But as of now, no videos Thursday, Friday, or Saturday in observance of Thanksgiving. So that's what we got for you. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.